Alright, let's jump into the basics of AutoCAD for civil engineers. If you're just starting out, AutoCAD might look intimidating, but trust me, it's actually all about getting comfortable with the essentials. First up, the workspace. When you open AutoCAD, you'll see a big black screen. That's your drawing area. On the left, there's a toolbar with the basic tools, like line, circle, and rectangle. At the bottom, you'll find the command line. This is where the real magic happens. Anytime you want to draw something or use a tool, you can just type the command right there. For example, type L for line, hit enter, and you're ready to draw. Now, let's talk about layers. Layers help you organize your drawing. Think of them like transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. You might use one layer for roads, another for buildings, and another for utilities. You can turn layers on and off to focus on just what you need. Super helpful for big projects. Precision is key in civil engineering. Always use OSNAP, or Object Snap, to get exact points when drawing. You can turn it on at the bottom of your screen. And don't forget the grid and ortho mode, which help keep your lines straight and measurements accurate. Finally, save your work often. Use the Save As command to keep different versions, so you can always go back if you need to. That's the core of AutoCAD basics for civil engineers. Stick to these tools, practice a bit every day, and you'll be drafting like a pro in no time. Good luck, and don't forget, every great project starts with a solid drawing.